Hello and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to create stunning Instagram highlights. In case you're wondering what highlights are, they are those balls that roll on your screen when you get on Instagram. So as you can see on my screen here, these are Instagram highlights, and I used icons to represent each one of them. Highlights differ for different people. So on mine, you see testimonials, events, my books, chill, books, polls, ask me anything. And I think I have, the last one, affirmations. For you, it can be different things. You can have your products, your services, about us, contact us. It is totally up to you. But the goal right now is to teach you how to design your own stunning Instagram highlights and draw attention to it, and people can actually click, look at what you have, and eventually buy from you. All right. Now, before we go ahead, there's something that I would like you to know. You have to pay attention to your brand color, the icon, the font, and the design tool that you're using. I'm going to go over it again. Your brand color, the icon, the font, and the design tool that you're using. In this case, the tool is going to be Canva. So right now we're heading over to canva.com. It's already opened on my tab. And for me to be able to create this, I love to use the Pinterest format. So let's go and look for the Pinterest format. Okay. So there we have it, the Pinterest graphics. You simply click on it and open it. So now we have Pinterest opened. As you can see, there are various templates that you can use, but we are not after the template here. We are simply after the design that we want to do for our highlights. So if you want your own a bit colorful, you can start by going to backgrounds. You look for something plain. You can try to use your brand color. If your brand color is yellow, so let's assume the brand color is yellow, okay? So we have the yellow background. The next thing you want to do now is to get your icons. And there are two icon platforms that I recommend. There's Font Awesome, as you can see here, fontawesome.com. And we also have flaticon.com. Flaticon.com. Personally, I love to use Flaticon because it's easy to use, maybe. So, let's say you want to design the Call Us button, right? The Call Us highlights. So you can already see call here. There's shop. Even if you're looking for a way to just search, so let's say you are looking for, say, testimonials, you can simply type here. So you can see client testimonials, and you can see the icons will come up, and then you can select the best icons or icon that you want to use. So it's very, very easy and straight to the point, okay? So you can see the icons they're giving you here, 3-star. Of course, these are the things that clients will do, right? So you can just use all this as your icon. But like I said, we want to use call button or contact us button. So let's see how we can do that. Contact us. Okay. Let's share this out. So contact us. Okay, I think we have to work on the keyword. So let's say contact us phone. Let's see how what that gives us. Okay, so still nothing. So let's just use phone then. Okay, let's just use phone or call. So you can see the various phones, but is this really what we want? Let's try call. Okay, I think this works for us. So let's click on this one. Good. So you can see it already has the call button. So all you just have to do is click on PNG because you want it in PNG format. Don't do SVG, EPS, or PSD. No, you don't need all those ones. What you need is PNG. If you even want to edit the icon, okay, so you have to log in to register. So maybe by the time you register, you can have it in colored format or not. But let's just say we want it in black. Of course, our background is yellow, so we want it in black. So we click on PNG. Okay, good. It still gave us the colors. So you can customize it. Do you want it to be green, blue, purple, yellow, red, white, black? Or do you have any other color that you want to select? Okay, so you can do all that from here. But we are selecting black because that's what we want. And then the next thing here is the font size. We want it to be size 24. Okay, so we'll do free download. Free download. Yeah, so you can see right here it has downloaded. So now that it has downloaded, the name here is call answer. We'll come back to our graphics here that we have selected. Come to uploads. Click on upload your own images. So I'll simply look for, I'll have to look for, so let me say call. Okay, so call. There we go. Call answer. Open. And our icon is uploading. Good. Okay. So we just click on it. And then we open up. Okay, so you see that that size we selected is really poor. Okay, so let's delete it. So let's say size, okay, that's in pixel. So let's say 128 pixel. Okay, so free download. We'll have to do that again. So we'll select a better one. So upload your own images. Call. There we go. There it is. Open. Great. This is a better quality. So you can even see the difference from the screen. The 24 pixel is a bit blurry, but the 128 we chose is a bit it's better. Good. So you simply stretch it. Okay. Now that you're stretching it, you have to ensure that it stays in the middle. And mind you, you can do all this on your mobile phone because Canva is also available on the mobile phone. So as you can see, it's showing us that middle line. So the one going vertically and horizontally. And if you even want to flip it, you can flip it horizontally if you want. You can flip it vertically if you want. Totally up to you. Okay, but I think this is very, very okay. So as soon as you're done, you click on the download button. I'll be switching right now to my mobile phone so that you can see how to do that from your mobile phone. Okay? So this is Canva on my mobile phone, and we are about to work on the highlights that we have been talking about. So I'll simply go to designs, and then we can get the particular highlights cover that we designed. So as you can see here, yes, it popped. So I advise that you get Canva on your mobile phone. It's available on Android and iOS. So we'll have to download this. Yep, it's downloading, and we're going to move over now to great. So it's available now on my mobile phone. So let's head over to Instagram. Great. So right now we are on Instagram and we are trying to create the highlights. Great. So we're here. So what we'll simply do, if you want to create a highlight, is to click on the plus sign. Then select a particular image or something that you want to be on that highlight. So for the purpose of this, I'll just click on this and then click on next. Then let's just say class or classes, right? So edit cover. This is not what we want to use for the cover, right? So we're going to select another picture, which is the one that we already designed. Yep, there we go. Then you click on next. There we have it. And then you click on done. And boom. Our highlight cover is ready. Can you see it? It is that simple. It is that simple. Okay? So I'll be expecting you to design your own cover and let me know how it goes in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share this video with someone who needs to learn how to create or design a beautiful, breathtaking, and stunning Instagram highlight. Thank you so much.